Makhosi, ke ise hlompho ho Kgosikgolo Lehasa wa bobedi, ke kopa ho lokisa mme ke Kgosikgolo Lehasa wa bobedi wa Makgolokwe. Ke dumedise dikgosi kaofela tse leng teng, ke dumedise dingaka tse tlilo tla feletsa motjholoko, ke dumedise dikgosana le dikgosatsana tse leng teng, and all the esteemed guests that are here. Ntate Motjholoko Zulu Mathabo was a great man of diversity. Ke tlo phahamisa Kgosikgolo Lehasa wa bobedi, leng Dr. Lucas Moloi. Empa ke ne ke kopa hore pele ke mo phahamisa ke bue just 2 passages tse Ntate Zulu Mathabo a kileng a di ngola. This one comes from his book, A Goodbye to My Little Troubles. This piece is very special. It's from the poem, The Venturesome Kisses. He says, the great desert flower of the Kalahari, Mponeng, who suffers a perpetual shortage of water, and yet she is the first among the plants to spring to life when the rains fall, for she knows that the rain will soon be gone. It's amazing how she managed to subdue her sense of adversity despite the impossible odds in her paths. It's wa hubuka ya Ntate Vusi Zulu Mathabo. It's a Ntate, when he got amputated, there is a piece that he also wrote. He says, the extreme pain of amputation almost killed me. I began to pay tribute to mothers for their supernatural ability to endure and to transcend the labor pain that kills. Some have lost their lives to the painful travails of labor, like the wife of Chancellor Moyo of Canada. May her soul rest in peace. A woman does not allow this killer pain to define her. As men, we have no metaphysical access to the experience of labor. A woman is a goddess. People go to church to find God, yet they leave the God behind. Your mother is your God. There is no greater God than the mother who birthed you. Ke mantswe a Ntate Motjholoko Zulu Mathabo. There is a lot I could say in the platform. I would also have loved to give my tribute. Haebe sebaka se ne le teng. Ka hoo ke tlo phahamisa morena wa Makgolokwe, ke ne ke kopa ha re mo phahamisa bomme ba dule fatshe, bontate ke kopa re emeng ka maoto, re phahamise doctor, and then ke tlo kopa traffic mme ka re o ka e kwala ha Ntate Moloi a tlo ema. Ke Dr. Lucas Moloi, ke Lekgolokwe Lekotswana, le hlaba kgoho ka lemao ka se ke mo lise go morena kgolong.